Shebeshit and Tsaka RS's beef has been dragging on for so long that at this point, I'm convinced even they don't remember how it all started. It's like one of those long family arguments where after a few years, nobody knows what they're actually fighting about, but the fight keeps going anyway. So instead of digging all the way back to ancient history, let's jump straight into the recent drama because trust me, a lot has happened. About a month ago, Shebeshit was in Johannesburg shooting the music video for Rato Laka. Everyone on social media knew he was in Joburg, it was no secret. But then comes Tsaka RSA, acting like he had no idea and deciding to take a trip all the way to Polokwane to confront Shebeshit at his house. Now here's the twist. Shebeshit wasn't home. He was in Gauteng, busy working. So when people saw Tsaka RSA outside an empty house trying to act tough when the guy he was looking for wasn't even in the province, the internet erupted. Memes were flying left and right. People said Tsaka was pretending to be brave while knowing very well that the coast was clear. And honestly, it did look suspicious. Naturally, Shebeshit wasn't happy. In fact, that visit made him furious because to him it felt like Tsaka was taking their beef to a whole different level. Pulling up to someone's home is personal. Fast forward to a few days ago, this is where things got real. For the first time since the empty house visit, Shebeshit and Tsaka finally crossed paths. And let me tell you, the moment was dramatic. The second Tsaka noticed Shebeshit approaching, it didn't waste a single second. My guy ran straight to a car, closed the door, and locked himself inside like a cartoon character escaping danger. Social media went wild again, and people were saying that Tsaka only has muscles when he's behind a keyboard, and that in real life, he's as soft as Wi-Fi during load shedding. Things escalated quickly and the tension was clearly getting out of hand. So someone stepped in to calm the situation down before it turned into something worse. And that's when an unexpected idea came up. Put both of them in a boxing ring. Let them settle everything with gloves, not threats. So a contract was suggested, and surprisingly, both of them agreed verbally. They both said they're willing to face each other in a full boxing match on the 26th of December 2025. Now, of course, talking is one thing. Actually signing the papers and stepping into the ring is another story. So as of now, we're all waiting to see if the match will really take place or if someone will suddenly remember a family emergency. But if it does happen, if Shebeshit and Tsaka RSA actually climb into that ring on the 26th of December, who do you think is walking out the winner? Who do you think is gonna win? Will it be Shebeshit? Unpredictable, fearless, and already known for not backing down? Or Tsaka RSA, the guy who talks big online but might surprise everyone on fight night? Let me know what you think. Drop your predictions in the comments below.